For the pani, you will need coriander or dhania, mint or pudina, 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp, green chili 1 roughly chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger, salt to taste, black salt 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder and about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, lemon juice about 1 teaspoon or so, and about 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Now these all ingredients are just like kickstarters. You will need to adjust the ingredient quantity as per your preference. So let us start making it. Into a blender jar, I am going to add in the mint and coriander, about a handful of each. I am going to add in the ginger, green chili and about a glass of water, which is about 300 milliliters. Now blend this to a smooth paste. Into this mesh, I am going to add in the blended paste. Strain this well. To this, I am going to add about 4 to 5 glasses of water. Now add in the tamarind pulp, salt, black salt, cumin and coriander powder, lemon juice, pepper, amchur powder, red chili powder, and mix well. Now you can taste it and adjust it to your taste buds. So our pani is ready. I added about another 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp, salt, black salt and little bit of cumin powder. So this is very tangy and very tasty now. Now we are going to prepare the potato masala or the filling for the pani puri. For the filling, you will need about 6 to 7 boiled potatoes, about a 1/4 cup of kala chana or chickpeas boiled, about a 1/4 cup of onions. This is the residue that we got after staining the mint and coriander that we blended for the pani. This is very flavorful. Don't throw this away. Use about a tablespoon and half of this. Salt to taste, black salt to taste, coarsely ground red chilies or chili flakes 1 teaspoon. This gives the real street like look and taste. About a teaspoon of cumin powder, about a teaspoon of coriander powder and about half a teaspoon of amchur powder. So let us start making it. Into this mixing bowl, I am going to add in the potatoes. Now mash this together really nice. Now I am going to add in the kala chana or boiled black chickpeas, onions and all the other spices, which includes the red chili flakes, cumin and coriander, amchur powder, salt, black salt and the residue of the mint and coriander. Now mix this all well and adjust the seasoning as per your preference. Our masala is ready. Now this is ready to serve. Our masala and the pani is ready. You can check out my recipe for the puris also by clicking here. So let me make one right now. Crack a puri from the top and put in the filling. Dip this in some water and enjoy.